Drunk Driving, a report on driving under the influence of alcohol cases in the state of New Mexico. Driving under the influence is the act of operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Unfortunately, New Mexico has one of the highest rates of alcohol-related crash fatalities a year compared with other states. Some charges include DUI, driving under the influence, DWI, driving while impaired or intoxicated, OUI, operating under the influence, DWAI, driving while abilities are impaired, DUII, driving under the influence of intoxicants, OUIL, operating under the influence of liquor, OMVI, operating a motor vehicle while impaired, and wet reckless, alcohol-related reckless driving. DUI instances and examples can include driving while impaired or a violation of laws by driving with a blood or breath alcohol content of 0.08% or higher. All drivers with a BAC of 0.8% or higher, drivers under 21 with 0.02 or higher, commercial vehicle drivers with 0.04 or higher may be charged. Some of the penalties for a first offense may include 2 to 90 days in jail, $500 in fines, $200 in court costs, $100 license fee, probation with $150 fee, crime laboratory and community fees, up to 1 year loss of license, mandatory DUI school, alcohol screening and counseling plus fees, attendance at a victim's impact panel, possible 48 hours of community service, and a 1-year ignition interlock device on your vehicle. For a second offense, penalties may include 3 days to 1 year in jail, $500 to $1,000 maximum fine, $100 license fee, probation with $150 fee, crime laboratory and community fees, mandatory DUI school, alcohol screening and counseling plus fees, attend victim's impact panel, mandatory 48 hours community service. For a third offense, the penalties include up to 1 year in jail, $750 to $1,000 maximum fine, $100 license fee, probation and $150 fee, crime laboratory and community fees, 1 year to 10 years if priors within 10 years, loss of license, mandatory DUI, alcohol screening and counseling plus fees, attend victim's impact panel, mandatory 48 hours of community service. For a fourth and subsequent offense, the penalties may include a felony with possible loss of civil rights, 6 months of mandatory jail time, up to 18 months maximum, $5,000 fine, all of the above mentioned fines and fees, mandatory DUI school and alcohol screening and counseling, 1 year minimum to 10 years maximum loss of license, with priors within 10 years. For an underage DUI, the first offense may include a loss of license for 6 months. A second offense could be a loss of license for 1 year with no conditional license. Commercial driver DUI, first offense is a 1-year disqualification, 3-year disqualification when hauling hazardous materials. Subsequent offenses could include a possible lifetime disqualification. For out-of-state drivers, your convictions will be reported to their home state. For a refusal of a BAC test, a 1-year loss of license and not eligible for limited license. Any aggravated DUI, even the first offense aggravated, has mandatory jail time.